we still felt like, is now the right time? And then we really firmly came to a solid yes, that we actually feel like now is a tremendous time to dive deep into to dive deep into the teachings of yoga. And I've been using this analogy throughout COVID. It's like we were all in our little safe houses. We had these stones and these roofs and all the systems of the house, and we were standing on the inside of it. And COVID came along and just blew the house apart. And now we're standing with, vulnerably, we're standing, in a space that feels unfamiliar, looking at all the rubble that's around us. And I think of it in this way, and the yoga teacher training would be so timely in the way that as you're rebuilding structure around yourself, what are you choosing to take with you as you're reaching into the rubble and you're kind of examining all these pieces that were your life, everybody's lives? What are the parts that you're going to keep? What are the parts that you're going to pick up from the rubble and kind of look at and say, this just isn't a fit anymore for me? And so we think it's super timely to be examining the structures of your life, the habits of your life, the practices of your life. I'm deeply interested in relationships and how we relate to one another. So how are you relating to yourself? How are you relating to those in your world right now? And a yoga teacher training will do that at the best of times. Yeah. And we think that now, in light of all of this COVID global stuff, that it's the perfect time to answer the call of a yoga teacher training.
So if you, in any part of your life, feel like, I just want to go back to the way things were, you probably don't want to take our course. Go find a different one.
Because we kind of like that everybody's houses have been blown apart.
Yeah, it's
a blessing. It's a good thing.
It's an opportunity. So if you feel that sort of call to rebuild things just a little bit differently, and I think too, to connect into your power of creation, your power to create, your power to design, to architect, to build your life. Yoga gives us this beautiful structure, this beautiful set of principles, set of guidelines to help us build.
Principles for life.
Yeah. So if it's appealing, check out our website, fireweedyoga.com.